Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Dr. Johnson Physiotherapy channel. Today we are continuing another powerful recovery journey, focused on hip joint pain, muscle weakness, and walking difficulty. Many people around the world silently suffer from hip pain without understanding why it happens or how serious it can become over time. Hip joint pain can slowly affect your confidence, posture, movement, sleep, and even your daily routine. Simple activities like walking, standing, climbing stairs, or sitting for long periods may become uncomfortable and painful. Today, we are helping a young female patient who came to our clinic struggling with hip weakness and continuous discomfort around the hip and leg area. Our patient explains that she feels pain after walking and standing for long hours. Sometimes the weakness spreads into the thigh and lower body, making movement difficult and tiring. At the beginning of the session, we carefully analyze her posture, walking pattern, and muscle control. The body often gives warning signs before pain becomes severe. Poor posture, muscle imbalance, long sitting hours, lack of exercise, obesity, sports injuries, and stress are some of the most common causes of hip pain and weakness. Many people spend hours sitting at work or using phones and computers without movement. Over time, muscles become tight, weak, and unstable. This creates extra pressure on the hip joints and lower back. The good news is that physiotherapy can help improve mobility, strengthen muscles, reduce pain, and restore confidence naturally. We begin today's session with warm-up therapy and gentle stretching movements. Stretching helps reduce muscle tightness and improves flexibility around the joints. Controlled breathing and relaxation are also important during therapy because stress increases muscle tension and discomfort. As treatment continues, we focus on strengthening exercises designed to support the hips and lower body. Strong muscles reduce pressure on the joints and improve walking stability. The patient performs guided rehabilitation movements carefully under supervision. Every movement is slow, controlled, and focused on improving balance and muscle activation safely. Step by step, the patient becomes more comfortable during movement. Her confidence begins returning as pain slowly decreases. We also include posture correction training because incorrect posture places extra stress on the hips and spine. Proper body alignment is extremely important for long-term recovery. Balance training is another important part of physiotherapy. Better balance improves coordination, reduces fall risk, and helps patients move with more confidence. During this session, we also discuss the importance of healthy nutrition for recovery. Muscles and joints need proper nutrients to heal and stay strong. Healthy desi foods like dal, yogurt, eggs, fish, chicken, almonds, vegetables, fruits, and milk can support recovery and improve muscle health naturally. At the same time, patients should avoid excessive junk food, sugary drinks, oily fried foods, and unhealthy lifestyle habits because they increase inflammation and body stress. Movement is medicine for the body. Even small daily activity can improve circulation, reduce stiffness, and support healing. One of the most emotional parts of recovery is when patients begin noticing small improvements in daily life. Walking becomes easier, posture improves, and confidence slowly returns. Our patient explains that before therapy she felt frustrated and uncomfortable all the time, but now she feels more hopeful and positive about her recovery journey. Physiotherapy is not only about reducing pain, it is about restoring independence, confidence, movement, and quality of life. As the session comes to an end, we reassess the patient's movement and walking ability. Compared to the beginning, her balance, posture, and muscle control have improved significantly. Dr. Johnson reminds the patient that recovery requires consistency, discipline, and patience. Daily stretching, strengthening exercises, posture correction, healthy eating, and active movement all help create long-term results. To everyone watching this video, never ignore pain or weakness in your body. Early treatment can prevent serious complications in the future. Your body deserves care, movement, and attention. With proper physiotherapy and healthy habits, recovery is absolutely possible. Thank you for watching today's recovery session with Dr. Johnson Physiotherapy channel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health education, rehabilitation therapy, fitness recovery, and healing journey videos. Stay healthy, stay active, and keep moving toward a stronger and pain-free life.